Just got given this in the mail today. This is called a Sleepal AI lamp. It's something about contact-free sleep tracking, AI-powered tailored insights into your sleep, a lamp that knows your night, a clock that wakes you smart. And inside, there's an English adapter, but I guess you can get American and European. There are some instructions here, quick start, get the app, support and services, what it does and what it doesn't do. I guess most of the information is on the app. I guess this is just a bit of wrapping that makes it look nice. Yeah, that gets pulled off. This, I'm guessing, is the lamp. This looks like an on-off button. This must be some sort of tracker, something that monitors your sleep. Apparently it monitors your position as well. So that's quite interesting for me because I'm really into sleep position at the moment. And here's the quick start thing. It basically tells you to plug it in, get the app, and then turn it on, I guess. Now I'm going to do a full review about this at some point. So I'm just going to plug it in and see what happens. Something comes up here, Sleepal. That looks like an on-off switch there. Ooh, bright light. I guess this is the thing to wake you up at the right time of what stage of sleep you're in. I'll be interested to see what happens. Anyway, I'll do a full review about this at some point. All right, thanks a lot.